How to turn on contact sync on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to enable contact sync on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with a profile picture at the bottom. Then, tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Now, tap on Account Center. Under the Account Settings section, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Then, select the Upload Contacts option. Now, you will see your Facebook, Messenger and Instagram accounts all in one place. Select your Instagram account. Finally, you will land on the contact syncing page. Now, toggle on the switch for Connect Contacts feature and boom! You have successfully enabled contact syncing on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.